How to make profile picture only me in Facebook. Hi guys! If you want to make your profile picture private on Facebook, these are the methods you can follow up and do it. So for that, first thing is when you head over to Facebook, you can find this interface. So what you need to do next is you can directly head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile, you should be finding this. So when you scroll down, you should be finding the updated status of your profile picture if you've updated your profile picture. So if it is public, in order to change your public profile picture into a private, when you head over to the status, you can tap on the three dot beside it. And when you do that, you should be finding this menu. So from this menu, you can head over to this option that says edit privacy. And when you do that, it gives you option where you can choose your audience. So since we are looking for only me, you can select up for the last option that says only me and tap on save. And you should be finding the world changing into a lock, which means your profile picture has been changed into only me in Facebook. So that is it, guys. That is it for now. That is how you basically change your profile picture only me on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.